Hey, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's SLP update. And oh my goodness, SLP is looking absolutely beautiful. Really beautiful. And if you guys want to learn technical analysis, you can check. The link is in the description of the video. If you want to buy for 29 bucks, pay with crypto and you're going to get it for $29 instead of $49. So join the Discord and message me if you want to do that. So let's get back into the chart and what's going on. Now, even on the Discord, we did have a little bit of a discussion right over there. And in this discussion, I actually forgot to mention that this that you form on the weekly is a tweezer bottom, okay? So on the weekly, you did have a tweezer bottom that I actually didn't notice. And you're gonna have tweezer bottom just like that. And I'm gonna show you one of the images over here and what a tweezer bottom exactly and what do they do. So where's that image, guys? Yeah, I'm really trying to spot the tweezer bottom image. Yep. Come on, man. Where the hell are you? Where the hell are you? I mean, there was one image that I actually saw. Yeah, this one. So here we are, and you can see bullish tweezer bottom occurs during a downtrend, closing the day near the lows. Sometimes eliminates entire gains from previous day. So you see that when you go down like this, you make one green candle a little bit smaller, but you can see that's what's matching right now, this red candle and this green candle. Okay, tweezer bottoms right over there, and you can already see that really matching with this one right over here. So you can even see it was confirmed with the next week, which was green actually. Now this has played out, to be honest. I do think it has played out. Not actually played out. The only way to invalidate a tweezer bottom, if you come down to the 0.0155, then you're going to be invalidating this tweezer bottom. So you don't want to lose this level because you're going to go even way more down. Now to me, I'm actually going to tell you the next levels and why I think SLP right now is super bullish. It's super bullish right now. Now the first thing I want to talk about is the 20 and the 55 on the daily. You are bouncing off the 55 and you're on the verge of making a bull cross, and from here you shoot to the moon. Okay, this is what I'm expecting from SLP. I'm really bullish right now on SLP, at least for now, unless we don't invalidate the charts. If it's bullish, I am bullish and I'm going to support it because you still are maintaining the structure. You're not losing any structure. So if you do go up today over here at the 223, you're going to put in a morning star, and then from tomorrow, the new weekly from Monday, you're going to see this thing actually go to the upside. The question really is right now that where are you going to go? So for that one, I'm going to actually tell you something about Fibonacci retracement. So let's do this, okay? I'm going to take the Fib retracement levels and I'm going to take this top to the bottom right over there, and let's actually place our Fib levels. So where did you come down to find support? Where did you go for the correction? The golden ratio, 0.618. And actually, if you start to lose the 0.0157, that's why I even told you, it's the tweezer bottom. If you lose this level, you're going to see this thing actually go down to this level. 0.033. Yes, you're gonna go down there. If you start to lose this, you're gonna go down here. Simple as that, because all you did is you went up, you lose this level, you come for the reversal, you go for the reversal wave to the downside. Simple put. Now this is out of the play. We found huge support down here at the golden ratio, which is the 0.618. The question is, where are you going to go for the next impulse move to the upside? For that one, I'm going to take this risen top here and this bottom right over here for this impulsive move, okay? So where are we going to go in the short term? We take this top here to the bottom right there, just like that. So what I'm going to tell you is that I think that SLP is looking to come potentially to the 310 level, okay? So I'm going to drop a blue line over there, and that is why right now you are bouncing way off the golden ratio, 0.618. You can see that's a huge level of support right there. Do you see that? So when you come down for the retracement at the golden ratio like this is an entry point actually. It is an entry point. Of course, you want to put a big stop loss at the 0.0194. If you lose the 194, potentially, but there's a good chance that you can even bounce off this trend line and then boom. Okay, so from here, guys, I'm going to tell you, if you start to actually go up from here, the next impulsive move seems to take you to 310, which is going to be from the which 51%. Amazing, really. really amazing. Okay, so that's the next trade in my opinion, and that's it for SLP update. Hope you enjoyed this quick update. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.